Confused about the supplement or medication which is right for you in case of PCOS? Number 1, you might be confused. Should I take inositol or I should go with glucobalance? If you are living in some place जहाँ पर आपको एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन अवेलेबल है बट आयुर्वेदिक अवेलेबल नहीं है, in that case you can go with inositol. But if Ayurveda is available, the first choice you should make is glucobalance because it will improve your insulin resistance, lower your androgen level, also great for fertility. The second is, in case of high androgen level, wherever you are living, start drinking spearmint tea. It is wonderful thing you can give to your body in case of hirsutism and facial hair management. Third, what you should take in case your doctor has said you have to get operated and remove the cyst. The solution is Cyst Safa. If you are living abroad, in that case, start using कांचनार. कांचनार सब्जी आप इससे या फली किसी भी फॉर्म में या बार्क आपको मिल जाए तो वो यूज करिए. अदरवाइज गो अहेड विद सिस्ट सफा. इट इज अ वंडरफुल थिंग and you will get all in one place. It is all in one supplement for PCOS. I'll not call it as a proper supplement. It is a pure Ayurvedic medication for PCOS. Now, the third thing, you are trying a lot to reduce your weight, but you are unable to reduce your weight in case of PCOS. In that, go ahead with Trifla and Trikatu. And if you have visited chakracoach.com, start using Slim Veda. It will give you amazing result. Now, if you want to reduce your PCOS belly and want to improve insulin resistance and lower the androgen level as well, in that case, start drinking turmeric tea on daily basis. But if you have body heat issue, in that case, you can start using dry ginger tea. It will also give you amazing result. Last but not the least, if you want an effective result in case of hirsutism, start using zinc supplements or the natural form of zinc. Natural sources are wonderful. Start using sea buckthorn. It will give you amazing result. For more such information, stay tuned with me. And don't forget to share with your friends, those who are struggling with PCOD, PCOS, ovarian cyst, endometriosis, and so on.